Welcome back to Omega Language Academy, and this is German A1 course. That means course for beginners. Okay, today we have session 11, and this is all about haben, that is to have. Okay, haben, the verb to have. We're gonna see the conjugation, sentences using this word. This is very common verb. That's why we are keeping a session only for the single verb. Now, if you need any help, or if you have doubts, or if you want to contact us for anything, please use this email ID or this phone number. We'll definitely help you. I will be glad to even get message from you. So please write on this email ID. So now let's begin with the session. Great. See, every verb is conjugated in German. Okay, and they are conjugated according to the personal pronouns. So if you have not watched the video regarding personal pronouns, please go back, watch them, it'll help you. Okay, you will know what personal pronouns are, how they are called in German, because in English we don't have many, in German there are plenty. So please watch that video, it'll help. Here we have formed a table. Ich is I, habe is have. So this is actually haben in real form, but if you want to conjugate with ich, you say habe. Ich habe. Like in previous conjugation class we have seen, we remove the en and replace it with e. So ich habe, that is I have. Du hast. Remember, these are irregular verbs. They don't follow the same conjugation rule which we discussed in previous conjugation class. They have their own rules, right? Du hast, so you have, informal singular you. Remember, not plural or formal you. This is informal singular you. Du hast, you have. Alright, moving to the next one, we have sie, es, hat. That is he, she, it has. Okay, so instead of have, or anything, we use hat in the case of sie, es. Instead of sie, es, we use hat. In the case of sie, es. Then we have wir. Wir haben. We have. Wir haben. We have. Ihr habt. Now this is informal plural you, and we use habt. That means you have. You people have. That means informal plural. Finally, sie haben. That is you formal, or they, same thing. That is called haben. So both the plurals are considered as pure form in a way. So we don't change anything. We keep the real verb haben, that is to have. Okay, infinite form. Great. If you didn't understand anything, watch it again. If any doubt, you know where to contact us. But you have to remember these words. So when you want to say I have a book, you have to remember how to say ich habe ein Buch. Okay, so you have to remember how to conjugate it. Now, this is a revision. Ich habe, du hast, sie, es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, and sie haben. Again, another table that you should stick close to you so that you can practice every day. Okay, great. Now let's have some sentences using the same words which we have seen, so that you know that we are not just talking about words but sentences as well. I have a pen. Ich habe einen Kuli. Now, I earlier said ein Kuli. That was incorrect because I cannot tell you right now. You'll be confused. Ein Kuli is incorrect because this comes in accusative. This is another thing about cases. We're going to have a class about cases. What are cases in German? But for now, remember, it's not ein, it's einen. That means I have a pen. Do you have a book? Hast du ein Buch? That means, do you have a book? Now, this is informal. That's why we didn't say haben du. That's incorrect. Hast du ein Buch? Do you have a book? He or she has a pen. Oder sie hat ein Handy. Phone, not pen. He, she has a phone. She hat ein Handy. Now, not any phone. Smartphones are called smartphones in German, but normal phones are called Handy. So, sie, es hat ein Handy. Okay, great. We have time. Wir haben Zeit. Wir haben Zeit. We have time. You guys have no time. This is informal plural you, because I added guys just for your reference. Ihr habt keine Zeit. Ihr habt keine Zeit. Then we have, do you have the paper? Haben Sie das Papier? See, remember, I've kept P capital because that's the rule of German. Every noun is capitalized irrespective of its position in the sentence. So, haben Sie das Papier? This is formal you. Remember, as soon as formal you comes in, instead of the earlier one we used, hast, we use haben. Remember the table, okay? That was session 11, and if you didn't understand anything, you know where to contact us. Please revise these chapters and watch the video again if you need any help. In fact, every third day or fifth day, watch them again. For 2 times watching, you will remember everything. And don't forget to stick something to your, close to your study area so that you remember the words, not just, watch the video, right? Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.